Hello everyone, and welcome to Twoguysfinance channel. Today, we're giving you a complete guide on how to use the Bank of America mobile app in 2025. The app has evolved into a powerful, all-in-one financial tool, so let's walk through how to get started and all the key features you need to know. Getting started. First, you'll need to download the Bank of America mobile banking app from the App Store or Google Play Store. 1. Enrollment. If you're a new user, you'll need to enroll. Tap Enroll on the login screen. You'll be asked to provide your Bank of America debit or credit card number and your social security number or tax ID. 2. User ID and password. Once enrolled, you'll create a user ID and password. Remember, this will also be your login for online banking. 3. Security. For easy and secure access, you can set up Touch ID or Face ID on your device. This allows you to log in with just a glance or a tap, taking security beyond a simple password. Navigating the app. The 2025 app has a streamlined, unified home screen that gives you a complete financial picture. Accounts overview. This is your one-stop shop. You'll see a summary of all your accounts: checking, savings, credit cards, loans, and even your Merrill investment accounts, all in one place. Main navigation. The main menu at the bottom of the screen gives you quick access to the most important functions. Accounts. Detailed view of each of your accounts. Pay and transfer. All your payment tools are consolidated here. Deposit checks. The mobile check deposit feature. Erica, your virtual financial assistant. Key features. Let's dive into some of the most useful tools within the app. 1. Payments and transfers. The Pay and Transfer section is your financial hub. Zelle. This allows you to send and receive money with friends and family using just their US mobile number or email address. The transfers are fast and there are no fees within the app. Bill Pay. You can set up one-time or recurring payments for your bills. You can also receive electronic statements or e-bills from eligible companies and get reminders when they are due. Transfers. Easily move money between your Bank of America accounts and your linked Merrill accounts. Wire transfers. The app now makes it even easier to send domestic and international wire transfers directly from your phone. You can send money to over 200 countries in more than 140 currencies. 2. Mobile check deposit. No need to go to a branch or ATM. 1. From the home screen, tap Deposit Checks. 2. Follow the instructions to take a picture of the front and back of your endorsed check. Make sure you're in a well-lit area and the check is on a dark background. 3. Select the account where you want to deposit the funds and enter the check amount. 4. Submit the deposit and you'll receive an instant confirmation that it is being processed. 3. Erica, your virtual financial assistant. Erica is your personal AI-powered assistant, and she's more helpful than ever in 2025. Financial insights. Erica can provide valuable insights, like a heads up when a recurring charge increases, or a notification when a refund has been credited to your account. Find transactions. You can ask Erica to find specific transactions. For example, Erica, find my grocery spending in July. Card management. Use Erica to temporarily lock a misplaced card, replace a lost or stolen one, or check your card balance. Live chat. If you need human assistance, Erica can seamlessly connect you to a live chat with a specialist. 4. Financial wellness tools. The Bank of America mobile app is designed to help you manage your financial health. FICO score. You can easily check your FICO credit score right in the app and get insights into the key factors affecting it. Spending and budgeting. The app's tools let you track your spending by category, compare your spending against your income, and even create a budget based on your past habits. Savings goals. Set up and manage specific savings goals, making it easy to track your progress toward buying a car or saving for a vacation. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.